When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, few upgrades can make as significant an impact as replacing your windows. In a city like Houston, where the weather fluctuates from humid summers to chilly winters, replacing outdated or worn windows can improve not only the appearance of your home but also its energy efficiency and comfort. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy a more attractive home, window replacement is an investment that brings both immediate and long-term benefits. Aesthetic appeal. The first and most obvious way new windows can improve your home's curb appeal is by giving it a fresh, modern look. Houston is a diverse city with various architectural styles, from traditional ranch homes to sleek modern designs, and new windows can complement any style. Outdated or damaged windows can make your home look tired, unkempt, or out of place in your neighborhood. By upgrading to newer, more stylish windows, you can transform your home's exterior and give it a clean, polished appearance. There are a variety of window styles to choose from, including double-hung, casement, sliding, and bay windows. Each style brings its own unique aesthetic to a home. For example, a set of large bay windows can add a stately look to a traditional home, while sleek casement windows work well with modern architecture. Additionally, new windows come in a range of finishes, including wood, vinyl, and fiberglass, each of which can match the color scheme of your home. Increased home value. One of the most significant reasons homeowners in Houston choose to replace their windows is the potential for an increase in property value. According to real estate experts, a home's curb appeal plays a crucial role in its marketability. Homes with attractive exteriors often sell faster and at higher prices than those with outdated or unattractive features. Replacing old windows with stylish, energy-efficient options can provide a substantial return on investment, especially if you plan to sell your home in the near future. Additionally, window replacement is often considered one of the top home improvement projects that boosts resale value without the high cost of larger renovations like kitchen or bathroom remodels. As a result, you can recoup a significant portion of your investment when you decide to sell. Improved energy efficiency. Houston's extreme heat and humidity can take a toll on your home's energy bills. Old, inefficient windows are one of the leading culprits behind rising energy costs. If your current windows are drafty or have lost their ability to properly seal, your heating and cooling system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, leading to higher energy consumption and costs. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient models can drastically improve your home's insulation. Modern windows come with features like low-E glass coatings, which help reflect heat away in the summer and trap warmth inside during the winter. Additionally, double or triple pane windows provide an extra layer of insulation, preventing drafts and reducing your home's energy consumption. Not only will this make your home more comfortable year-round, but it will also lower your energy bills, making it an environmentally friendly and cost-effective upgrade. Enhanced security and safety. Old windows often lack the security features of modern designs. For example, single-pane windows or windows with weak, outdated locks can be a point of entry for burglars. Newer windows come with stronger frames, reinforced glass, and advanced locking mechanisms that make them more secure. This added layer of protection can give you peace of mind, knowing your home is safer from potential threats. Moreover, many modern windows are equipped with safety features like tempered glass, which is less likely to shatter upon impact. This is particularly important for families with children or pets, as it reduces the risk of injury in case of an accident. Protection from the elements. Houston is known for its unpredictable weather, including severe storms, hurricanes, and heavy rainfall. Old windows may not offer the protection your home needs during extreme weather events. Replacing your windows with storm-resistant or impact-rated models can safeguard your home from the elements, helping prevent water damage and keeping debris from entering your home during high winds. Impact-resistant windows are designed to withstand harsh conditions and provide better overall protection, making them a wise choice for Houston homeowners. Final thoughts. Window replacement is a powerful way to enhance your home's curb appeal in Houston. Not only does it improve your home's appearance, but it also boosts its energy efficiency, security, and value. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable and attractive living space, replacing your windows is an investment that pays off in both the short and long term. With so many styles and energy-efficient options available, it's easy to find the perfect windows to match your home's aesthetic and meet your needs.